Okay, this is Excel lesson chapter 2, lesson 12, follow up to the eTry 12, sorting and filtering tables. Okay, for step number 1, we're going to click the down arrow button in the base header. This is the base header, and we click the down arrow button. And then we will click in step 2, sort A to Z. Notice that the rows change order and are listed according to the entry in the base column. Look at the entries in the flavor column. They are not sorted. For example, the rows with the vanilla base appear in this order according to flavor: vanilla, butter, pecan, chocolate chip, strawberry, cheesecake, and butter brickle. Now we're going to click the Data tab and click the Sort button. So here's the Data tab, and here's the Sort button in step number 3. Okay, alright, so let's try this one more time. Okay, in this next step, for step number 3, we're going to click the Data tab and click Sort. But we must make sure that we are still selecting any one of the headers over here. And when we click Sort, okay, in the dialog box, we will click the down arrow button down over here, and we're going to we're going to click the Add Level button over here. And then we're going to add, according to the instructions, we're going to add the flavor. So it's now going to be sorting first by base and then by flavor. And in the instructions, once we finish adding the flavor, we're going to choose the order drop down list and click Z to A. So down over here on this side, in the same level of flavor, we're going to click here and reverse it, Z to A, and then we click OK. Okay, very good. All right, we finished with step 5, clicking OK. The rows reordered so that the flavor column entries now appear in descending order within each base grouping. The rows with a vanilla base now appear in this order according to flavor: vanilla, strawberry, cheesecake, chocolate chip, butter, pecan, and butter brickle. There are the orders right here. Step number 6, we're going to click the down arrow button for the base column header again. All right, here's the base column header. Down arrow button. Okay, and let's move this over here so we can see what we're doing. Okay, so for step number 7, after we do that, in the menu we're going to click the checkbox beside select all, so we can deselect everything. All right, then we click the checkbox beside chocolate to check it and click OK. What we're doing is the filtering, so we can only see just the chocolate values over here. We click OK, and what it has done is that it has filtered all the data so that we can only see chocolate. It hasn't deleted anything, it's still in the background. But this is one way that Excel allows us to focus on the data that we are looking for. So say if we wanted to create a chart, a graph, or a table just with that data alone, that's one way to do it. Okay. Now, step number 8, we'll click the down arrow button for the base column header. Okay, step number 9, in the menu, we're going to clear the filter again. I'm sorry, clear filter from base. And we have now recovered all the other data right over here. Okay, let's move this back up here so we can finish the instructions. And now we're going to click the data sort, and we will delete level button twice, and we'll click on the delete level button twice and then click OK. So once again, we go up here, or we must be in one of these. We go back to data, we click sort, okay, and then we're going to click delete level twice, Then we click OK. Okay. And now we have completed this lesson on sorting and filtering tables.